नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss drug dependence and abuse. So before that, we need to understand some definitions. So what is a drug? A drug is any substance or product that is used or intended to be used to modify or explore physiological system or pathological state for the benefit of recipients. So according to WHO, a drug can be any substance or any product which is used or which is expected to be used to affect physiological system or any pathological state affecting any physiological function or any disease state. So this is a drug. Now what is substance dependence? As the name suggests, substance dependence, that is the dependence on a particular substance, or a person can't resist his desire for a substance. So it develops due to maladaptive pattern of substance use, leading to a group of behavioral, cognitive, and physiological phenomena that develop after repeated intake. It includes a strong desire to take the drug, difficulties in controlling its use, persisting in its use despite harmful consequences. So this dependence is developed due to some maladaptive or abnormal use of substance that leads to behavioral, cognitive, or physiological changes, and it is only after repeated intake, and it develops a strong desire, a strong craving for that substance, and the person is not able to control his desire, he is not able to control its use, and he continue to use that drug or substance even knowing that the drug is producing some harmful effects. Substance abuse substance abuse is persistent and excessive use of a drug which develops due to maladaptive pattern of substance use manifested by recurrent and significant adverse consequences related to the repeated intake of the substance. These problems must occur recurrently during the same 12-month period. As the name suggests, abuse, that is the use which is not rational. So it is a persistent, continuous, and excessive beyond the normal limit use of drug which is developed due to some maladaptive or abnormal habits of substance use, which is manifested by or denoted by recurrent and significant adverse harmful effect that are repeated on the intake of the substance. This criteria, this substance abuse criteria do not include tolerance, withdrawal, or a pattern of compulsive use, and instead include only the harmful consequences of repeated use. So this substance abuse is not including the tolerance of the drug, withdrawal symptoms of the drug, or a pattern of compulsive use of the drug, but it includes only harmful consequences of its repeated use. Substance intoxication. It refers to unwanted physiological or psychological effect that causes maladaptive behavior. So intoxication By a substance is meaning that there are undesirable or abnormal physiological, psychological effects that are producing abnormal behavior which is not normal only after the use of a substance. The disturbances are produced at the level of consciousness, cognition, perception, affect, or behavior that are clinically significant. Physical or physiological dependence, it is defined as an alteration in neural system which is manifested by tolerance and the appearance of withdrawal phenomena when a chronically administered drug is discontinued or displaced from its receptor. So physical or physiological dependence is the dependence or tolerance of a drug, and it is manifested when there is withdrawal of the drug in a person who is taking it for a long period of time, and when it is discontinued, when it is withdrawal, or when it is displaced from its receptors in the body, then it produces withdrawal symptoms. Addiction. Addiction is defined as craving to take a drug resulting in physical, psychological, or social harm, and its use is continued in spite of the knowledge that it harms. Addiction to a particular drug, addiction to any drug, it is defined as the strong desire, a strong craving to take that drug, which results in physical damage, psychological damage, or social damage, and person continue to use it even the knowledge or even knowing that it will harm his physical, psychological, social state. Drug habituation. So drug habituation is a condition where psychological or emotional dependency on the drug due to repeated consumption of a drug. So drug habituation is the dependency of a person on a drug on the psychological level, on the emotional level, and he continue to repeat the consumption of drug even knowing the harmful effects. So the drug dependence includes both the terms addiction and habituation. In drug dependence, there is addiction for a drug and there is habit for a drug. Frequently abused drug includes opiates. In opiates, there is heroin, morphine, codeine, methadone, pethidine, or some stimulants, which includes cocaine, methamphetamine, amphetamine, methylphenidate, some hallucinogens including LSD, marijuana, mescaline, psilocybin, dimethyltryptamine. CNS depressants also include some depressants. This dependence, drug dependence, is also present in some depressants, which includes barbiturates, glutathione, methylpyrrolone, chloral hydrate, paraldehyde, and some other miscellaneous drugs including propoxyphene, pentazocine, deliriants, and amitriptyline. Now, what is designer drugs? Designer drugs are synthetic drugs. Okay, so these are chemically prepared drugs. These chemically prepared drugs of well-known controlled drugs. It is synthetic variation or chemical variation of well-known controlled drugs such as fentanyl, phencyclidine, mescaline, etc., with similar pharmacological effect but different molecular structure. So designer drugs, as the name suggests, it is designed, it is something different. So it is synthetic variation of a commonly known drug having similar pharmacological effect, but they have different molecular structures. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.